Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a TEMU haul for you today of mostly craft items. So let's get to it. I did order these gloves. They're really nice. They feel like a really soft felt or a fleece. They do have the tech here so you can use your phone and they're very warm. I have a larger hand and they fit me just fine. And I love them. And they're pretty to wear with like a nice coat if I'm going out. And they do say fashion gloves in case you were wondering if they were fashion gloves, because they are. All right. And then I bought some of this suede. It's suede cording, like for necklaces or something. But I made one of these box braid. I think it's a gimp box braid. Somebody had asked me what I was talking about when I said I did a key charm. This is Miu, M-I-U is selling these for $400. And I think this was $1.89. I'm going to buy some more, but I would like to find some wider leather strips. But this was fun to make, and I just knotted it at the bottom. But I wanted to show you that's what I got that for. We'll do these here. I got this for my scrapbooking stuff, or my paper crafting, I guess. Hold on, let's see if I can open this. Yeah, there we go. For my paper crafting to put ephemera in. So, you know, just, I'm trying to see if the bottom is a box. It's not. But to put like cut out papers and things in when I'm storing it for the season. So you just kind of, and these were, I know you can get these anywhere, but they were very reasonably priced, and I can sort my paper and leave it in with the scrapbook paper, but the little cutouts and stuff. Oh, that is not my hair. Okay. I was like, oh, that's my hair. No, it's not. My hair's not that long. Okay, we'll pretend like we didn't see that. So I got that for paper store. I got some storage stuff. I got these, and I thought I only ordered one, but maybe it came with two. I don't know. But these for next year's for gifting or when I go to my retreats. So these little boxes, right? And this is just your plain craft paper. You open them up here, pop your end down, pop that end down. You have to kind of get on your fold correctly. Do it nicely. You fill it, and then you close that end, and now you have a pillow box. Now, I don't know how many I got in each pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think I must have bought a 10-pack. Of that, which is perfect because usually I make 10 table mate gifts. So what I'm going to do is put them together. Normally there's only like 7 or 8 at a table, but I always make 10 just in case. So that is for packaging gifts. For vacation, I ordered these. A little smaller than I thought. So I'm not sure if they're going to work. But they have like the little Ziploc top. Excuse me, I'm drinking coffee. But you can put your medicine in here. My vitamins are kind of big, so I don't know. Or like single pair of earrings, one ring. If you're packing any type of like jewelry or whatever, like one ring will fit in there. They're small, definitely smaller than I thought. We'll see if I end up using them for that or something else. But yes, they're nice quality. They're just small. However, I could probably use one for like my Sudafed or something. So we'll see. Also for my table mate gifts and shipping things, I grabbed a pack of these. And what this is, it's vellum. This is vellum paper. And it will hold like a single something, a sticker, a little charm, a little something. Seal it, put a little sticker on it. And now whoever I'm gifting or giving or shipping little things to doesn't get lost. And that was kind of my thought. And these were, I have another pack of these different shape. Because I do give charms. I don't know where they're at, but like single charms. It'll say like 2025. I'll put maybe 3 or 4 in here and hand them out for my friends at retreats and stuff. So we all can mark our ornaments. So this is more of like a packaging thing. And then this Not Crafty is, they were supposed to be S hooks, but I don't think that's what that shape is, but it's fine. I actually bought them. I showed you on a previous video my pegboard. I got these to hold the baskets, but it was taking too long. But this will go in there and it can hold something little. I mean, they were not expensive. Also, on my floss organization, I can hang these on the bar and just hang 1 or 2 floss colors from it. So it'll get used. And they will also work up here if I want to hang smaller things. So I grabbed some of those. I'll just put them in with my tools. Okay, crafting. Let's get into it. I bought this. This is a little box, right? You have a push button over here. The lid opens, and I put my needles in here, but there's a magnet sheet in the bottom, and this holds my beading needles. I think I'm going to order some of these as table mate gifts for sewing, for our cross-stitching needles, because I like these. Yeah. And then, let me wipe this out. It was a little dusty in here. And then you just snap it shut. And this is like tin. Yeah, and it holds my, this is for my ornaments that I make. So I grabbed that. And then I grabbed 2 packs of these. I didn't realize they would both have the same red and green and white. I thought these were more pastel-y. But they're just, they're beads that come on, it's like a pearl bead, and then there's a little bit of accent here, and then a hook. So I can hang these from jump rings and make some little decorations of some sort. I don't know, they just looked fun. I'll show you. And these, I liked these colors, and I thought I was ordering all like pink and green and oranges, but there's some red and green in here too, which is fine. So I have plenty. And again, these were not expensive. I like to make some floss bling, so I got these for that. So yeah, these are fun. I have to get a little vessel for those. And then I ordered these, and these are okay. They kind of bend easy though. Let me open these up. These are glass. And to me, they look like Christmas ornaments, right? Like old Christmas bulbs. And again, for some decorative purposes next Christmas when I'm crafting. And these were not super inexpensive. I mean, they weren't overly pricey, but I loved them. And I thought they just look like a vintage Christmas bulb. So I got these. I'll find a home for these. Let me put that in the trash. I'm trying to stay organized here, guys. These will find a home. Now, I have been making, and I definitely, let me see if I can find it. Hold on. I've been making, this is a small version, little ornaments out of felt. So I took a cookie cutter and I cut this mitten out, and then I put beads on it. I'm not done with this one yet. And then I will stitch the front and the back together and stuff it, and it will be an ornament. I've been having a lot of fun making these. So, first I picked up this thing, which is, look at all these different color sequins. And they're organized by color, which is nice. I love this orange and these greens and all that. So this came as one box, one kit here, which is perfect. Then I bought this container because I needed to organize my beads and everything because we're a mess. And I bought from the Dollar Tree these food storage thingies with lids, but the lids really don't stay on very good, and so they were spilling. So I bought this container. I think these were $6. And I put my beads in here already to show you. This has 8 of this size. And I was able to fill this with 1 pack of sequins that I had ordered on Etsy. And these are circles and stars and clear. And it snaps and then it leans in here and I can see them. And then this is just a large container I bought at Hobby Lobby of these are like a white pearl color seed bead, and they fit perfect in there. Oops. So that was perfect. These all fit in here, and then the lid goes on them. And now I can just put these away, and they're not gonna pop open and spill. This was like, oh, here, I'll show you how they work. Because I do have this size here. The only thing I have an issue with is that sequins is very staticky. This was some sequins I ordered that I thought was gonna be a different color. But that's okay. They're very staticky. I don't know if all this will fit in here, but majority of it will. And then I'll put the rest of this away for later. There we go. See, they stick to my hands. And then there we go. Now I have a whole thing of these pastels, which will be fun to make, like, I think Easter ornaments in here for spring. And then the remainder I'll just leave in here until I need them. And I'll keep this in some back stock. But now I have 3, and I can see what I need. So then I ordered, because I wasn't sure which one I would like, I ordered this one. This kit here is like everything. I've already filled it, except for these last 7, with small amounts of beads that I have. Like, this is just a set from the Dollar Tree, and it's all matching. These here, these are all sequins that come. These are seed beads. I got these to make for my cousin. They're like pink and gold. But I can see, and I can just reach in here and grab whatever one I want for the project that I'm working on. And then I leave some of these blank, because if I say I want like a blend, and I mix a couple of these together to make one item, I'll just pour the leftovers in one of these empties. Like, I bought this specifically for a project. These black, they're almost like a midnight blue. So I won't use those until my project comes around. This is what I had left over from a project. So they just all went in here. And if I need something, I just reach in here, grab whatever I need, or dump it out, use what I want, and then put them back in. This is amazing. Are you a jewelry seller? Because here you go. Or for me, I have a lot of these. I don't know how many. Let's see. How many of these will fit in here? I don't know. That's the one thing, like, some of them were really small that I was watching. So, yeah, that fits. So 2 packs of these fit in here. And that's not bad at all. So I might get another one for all of my beads. Actually, I think I will, for all of these types of beads for jewelry making. opposed to, or whatever I'm making with these, opposed to this pack. But what I love too is, I'm gonna take these out. This is all for my one craft. So this will go in here with this and that. I have some scissors, I have my needles, I have thread, and all of this will go in one vessel, one basket, one tote, one something. And then when I want to work on this project, I just grab the whole basket and go. And I have all my beads and all my sequins and my needles and whatever project I'm working on at that time, it's all here. And trust me, when I finish cleaning my craft room, the rest of these will get filled as well. So yeah, that's everything I got this time at TEMU. I hope you enjoy. I will try to link things below. If not, just search TEMU. You know, they're always changing stuff. So even if I link it, it probably won't be the right information when you see it. But I hope you enjoy, and I will see you for my next haul. Bye.